3D laser scanning for ballast water treatment systems on LPG tanker. 3D laser scan to capture the as-built conditions of ship or vessels before installing a ballast water treatment system or BWTS. Scanning provides accurate measurements and high detail of existing pipe and structure. Benefits of 3D laser scanning include, measurements can be taken from a laptop or office computer, eliminating multiple hand measurements in the field. Reduce clashes in your design work. Laser scanning provides a 3D environment where proper placement, available space, and pipe routing can be easily verified. Vessels do not necessarily need to be dry docked. Scanning can often be performed without disrupting normal operations. Surface fitting of holes, modeling of bulkheads or structure, and center line extraction of existing pipe. Our pipe center lines can be given to your pipe designer where they can trace over the lines or snap to them for accurate routing of existing pipe systems. Deliverables on grayscale or colorized, registered FLS files. Registered recap project. Registered E57 files. CAD models of piping systems, tie-ins, bulkheads, and structure. Registered scans and scan projects can be set to the coordinates. To align to ship coordinate requires a general arrangement drawing if available. Our company offers a 3D laser scanning service to assist owners and yards to be ahead of the market, planning the project, designing the refit and procuring materials ready to begin work as soon as the vessel reaches the repair dock.